We have seen that water scarcity has created serious economic and other challenges in transboundary river basins. This will be replaced across the world. By 2040, global demand for water may outstrip supply by as much as 40%. We must therefore combine political will and economic resources to address this critical global issue simultaneous with climate action. Next year, we will assume chairmanship of the International Fund for Saving the Aral Sea. We will continue efforts to prevent further degradation of the environment and its impact on livelihoods around what was once the fourth largest lake